Okay. Alright. Well, I got a little discovery for y'all. I'll bet you're wondering what's in this brown paper bag, huh? No, that ain't no booze either. I was in school this morning, over at the ACC this morning, working on cleaning out the greenhouse. There's these little, where they grafted tomatoes. There's a bunch of these little clips on there. I don't know if it's going to pick it up or not. But it's where they graft the tomato together, hold it while it grafts itself. There's that variety. That kind. If you notice, I got a whole paper bag full of them. They're just going to throw these out because they can't reuse them, so I brought them home. I got thinking, heck, maybe I can use them for painting small parts. Piece of sprue. This is what I was thinking. Attach it some way. Then when you go to clean your parts, you can sit there and paint whatever. Don't ask me where to find them. I have no idea. Excuse me, I'm trying to get over a cough. But that's the little clips. Like I said, I was at school cleaning up, and these are the things where they go to graft tomatoes together to show grafting class for propagation stuff, you know, trees, shrubs, dealing with that, but they use softer tissue like tomatoes and vegetables to do that. There's some nice ones in there, but I didn't know what they were because I pulled the tags, and I would have brought one or two of them home. So, but yeah, that's that clamp. Where'd it go? And there's that clamp. Does some of the smaller stuff. So you can tell it'll sit there and hold it. I think this one's more rubber. I don't know if it's going to do any good. I don't know. I don't think it will. But I got a big brown bag full of them. We'll see how they work. And that's what I'm working on. Trying to figure these things out. I will get back with you later once I find some more info out. 73.